Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Hub. And in this video, we're going to analyze the market for the next week and its news analysis or fundamental analysis. As per we know that gold is always depend on USD. That's why we have to follow up USD currency. Okay, so we have to follow USD news. Okay, as per gold is always following USD, we have to follow USD news, and there is two kind of news like positive news and negative news. And before we start that, we need to see how many news comes in the upcoming days and how we can follow them. Okay, there is two kind of news. One of them is economic calendars news. Another thing is without economic calendar news. As you consider, in Monday there is one news, that means minor news. This is and in Tuesday we have three major news, and in Wednesday we have some minor news, and in Thursday we have major news, minor news both, and in Friday we have several major news and minor news in several time. And out of that kind of news, that means out of economic calendar, and this is from forexfactory.com. Okay, Forex Factory, you may search on Google Forex Factory, you may see that all kind of news is time and uh, currency and news type. Okay, you will see all kind of news. Okay, so without that kind of economic calendar news, there is another type of news in the market, that is geopolitical issues, and can be other things like Donald Trump speak, and Donald Trump, as per there, Donald Trump told about India, and they recently increased 50% total 50% tariff on Indian product. So you have to keep your concern on that thing also, because that will be impact on market also. Okay, this is from Donald Trump tweet. And there is another thing about White House, that was misinformation. They just cleared that thing. No tariff, tariff till now in gold. If they add or do something about the gold tariff, market will shake. Okay, will go up and down or something else. We will share that later in this video. Okay, and another thing going to happen maybe in the next week, there is a three-way meeting between Putin, Trump, and Zelensky, but Moscow, that means Putin left without comment. They didn't put any comment there, or they didn't uh, say anything till now. But I hope, my assumption are, I hope Putin will talk with Donald Trump about the ceasefire, and they will do something about the ceasefire. And if they agree to ceasefire, there will another shake will be noticed on the market. So you have to keep your concern on that thing also. And we are regularly sharing those all things, that the three things from our last Friday's news analysis from Telegram channel. So we are sharing a real time update. Like you can see there is date and time. We are sharing within a minutes in our Telegram channel. So if you want to get them immediately, you may join our Telegram channel to get that. And we are also sharing the what is happening after this news, or what can be happen after this news in gold market or USD market. Okay, so let's get back into our main analysis. That means economic calendar news, and there is a declaration date time and all other stuffs. And for geopolitical issues, Donald Trump tweets there is no time limit. So if you are active in that marketplace, you will be get that immediately. But there is no time limitation, or they do not declare about that thing, that happen immediately. Okay, and we are sharing immediately on our Telegram channel. That so if you wish to join, you may join that there, and link in the video description box. And let's start. So as you can see that there is two kind of news. One of them is positive, another one is negative. Okay, for positive news, data come with positive value, like green 0.5% green 245k, indicates sell for gold. And for negative news, data comes red 0.5% red 245k, indicate buy for gold. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, why for positive news we will sell gold, why for negative news we will buy gold? What is the reason? Okay, let me explain that. As you can see there, there is two triangle of gold and USD, and suppose this triangle is XAU, that means gold, and this is USD, that means US dollar, and you have to keep your concern uh, to this thing, those two thing, like gold value is always fixed and USD value is changeable. That means gold value is always constant and USD value is variable. Okay, USD value, currency value can be changeable. Okay, and if we get -5% news from previous one, like from this triangle -5%. Okay, if we -5% from this triangle, that will be 5% smaller than previous one. So there is gold is bigger than USD. That means there is gold buy. Okay, and if I get positive news like +5% in this triangle 5% bigger than previous one. So we if we are 5% there, that will be buy for gold. That means for positive news, I'm sorry. That means in that case, gold is smaller than USD. That means gold is weaker than USD. So we have to sell gold in that case, and we have to buy gold in that case. Negative news. For positive news, we have to sell gold. Okay, so this is the basic theory or simplest theory. I already shared a lot of time, or I already take a lesson a lot of time about the topic, and let's come into real market. As you consider interest rate, I only focusing on red. That means major newses, and semi major will be same, but in semi major case, market will move less than major news. Major news will be make a shaky market. So if you want to trade on only one major news, you must follow that, and same rules for all things, semi major, major, non major, everything same. Okay, and for USD positive news, we will sell gold. The reason is here. Okay, the reason is in that two triangle. Okay, and if you news come negative value, with negative value we will buy gold. Okay, same thing for positive value, we will sell gold. For negative value, we will buy gold. Okay, and we are sharing a lot of fundamental thing in our Telegram channel. I already told that, and if you also can join our live trade on YouTube, we are trading live during the news stand, so you may follow them. So if you practice regularly with us, you will be gainer with news trade. I hope you understand all that thing. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.